Welcome. If you've ever missed an important message or a shout-out in your favorite Discord server, you know how frustrating it can be. Today, we're going to make sure that never happens again. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable highlight notifications for a specific server on Discord with the latest steps for 2025. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app. Whether you're on iOS or Android, the process is the same. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. You'll find it in the bottom right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it to access your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Notifications. Tap on Notifications to open up all the options related to how Discord keeps you informed. Here's where the magic happens. Under the Notifications section, you'll find a setting called Highlight Notifications. This feature is designed to make sure you never miss messages that matter most to you. Like when someone mentions your name, uses a keyword you care about, or when there's an important announcement. To enable highlight notifications for a specific server, simply look for the list of servers under this section. Find the server you want to stay updated on, and toggle the switch next to its name. When the switch turns blue, you're all set. Now, whenever something important happens in that server, you'll get a notification right away. That's it. You've just made sure you'll never miss a highlight in your favorite Discord community. Whether you're part of a gaming clan, a study group, or just hanging out with friends, highlight notifications help you stay in the loop without getting overwhelmed by every single message. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Discord tips. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.